rifle shooting took place in Lochgoilhead from 1900 as it was encouraged in order to develop marksmanship in the case of war. You can walk through there and it just takes you to the community garden, but just bear in mind it's very muddy. This is very pretty. I'm using bits of glass by the looks of it. That's off from a bottle. Oh, I found another one. A dragonfly. And that bits of glass. Oh, really nice these are. Apparently these have been made by the community of Lochgoilhead. Bit of a woodland walk. So the river walk, which you can do right from where the bridge was in Lochgoilhead. You can see you've got red squirrels, dippers, lichens, greater spotted woodpecker, herons, bats, garden ring dragonflies and buzzards. And the woodland walk is very nice. It's very short actually. It's a very short walk you can do. Highly recommend it. So yeah, I brought you down to this end. Thought it was worth showing you. This is Scotland for you. The typical changes in weather. Not so low cloud of that. It's very warm in the sun though. So a bit further up the hill, you can see the castle. Cars are lifting a little bit to be fair.
I found it yesterday.
Yeah? Okay, so if you're planning on doing the walk up to the falls, or to the path at the top there, you've got a loo that you can use before you set off, or at the end of your journey. Now we're heading back now to the main part of the village and check out the loch. So here's the pub, the Lochgoilhead pub, restaurant and hotel. Okay, we'll walk through the village green here in Lochgoilhead. Look at that. Sundial, dated from 1626. Wow. It's on someone's garden, someone's property. So they have live music here, 2 PM on Saturdays. We actually heard the music yesterday but didn't know where it was coming from.